starting the engine. And I've switched in problem 4.5. You can see it here at the bottom, level 4, problem 5. Sometimes the engine is stalling, also with a higher RPM, or we go to a higher speed, cruise control on, switched on. You can hear the engine is sometimes in this stalling, so we go to there he is. There's no engine malfunction, lamp on. So we have to find out what the problem is. And I'm going directly to the component that is a problem. It's normal, you have to find out, measuring several components. And now I'm going to measure the accelerator sensor, see if there's happening there something. I'm measuring the accelerator sensor on both tracks. We have a power supply 5 volt signal and the ground. One track, the second track, power supply, signal, ground. I switch on, with the scope put on the both signals, and we can see what's happening next on the scope screen itself. In the special software ATIS from GMTO, I selected the GAR and can see if how the accelerator must be measured. We have channel 1 on point 3 of the accelerator and the yellow channel 2 on number 6. So I have it on the scope. We go to the scope picture itself. You can see here a reference pattern from channel 1 and channel 2. I can take it off the reference signal and I'm going to measure the signals from accelerator. And you see, sometimes on this moment you see that there is something wrong with channel 1, with the first track, potentiometer track. So he's going up sometimes. The other track is okay, he's going up. Normally it can be a problem when you're seeing this kind of spikes on the signal. It goes up to 4 volts or sometimes not so high, but it cannot be a problem of the power supply of the track, of the potentiometer. It is also not a problem of the track itself, because then the signal voltage is going down. So maybe it has something to do with the ground wire of this potentiometer. So we are going to measuring this ground wire and we see what is happening there. So I switch on the ignition. Let's see. Okay, the track, the second track is working okay. Okay, and the other track I connected to the ground, so that is 0 voltage, and I start the engine and see what's happening. On certain RPMs you see, okay, the ground, you see there's a problem there because the voltage is going up on the ground wire, so we have a problem there. I'm measuring on the ECU itself. Let's see what is happening. You hear the problem, but there is no problem there because the ground out of the ECU stays 0 voltage, so we have a problem on the ground wire to the potentiometer. I'm measuring over the wire itself, the ground wire, and you can see I have to connect it the other way around, but you can see there is a voltage over the wire itself, so we have a problem. So you can see how where the problem is in the wire, the ground wire of the accelerator.